Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a winter essential that's sure to keep your toes toasty warm even in the coldest of temperatures. That's right, we're talking about the best battery-powered heated socks available, the heated socks for men and women by Caleforra. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why these heated socks stand out from the rest. Whether you're hitting the slopes, braving the elements on a hike, or just trying to stay cozy during outdoor activities, these socks have got you covered. Let's start with the basics. These heated socks are equipped with not one, but two battery boxes, powered by 3 Ah batteries each. This means you can enjoy up to 5 hours of continuous warmth without the hassle of charging. Simply replace the batteries and you're good to go. But what really sets these socks apart is their quality construction. Made from high-quality fabric and premium microfiber, these socks provide an extra layer of warmth during the harshest winter conditions. Say goodbye to cold, numb feet and hello to comfort and coziness. Whether you're skiing down the slopes, trekking through snow-covered trails, or just lounging at home, these socks are designed to keep your feet warm and comfortable in any situation. Plus, their medium length ensures coverage up to the calf, providing maximum insulation against the cold. And let's not forget about their versatility. These heated socks make the perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, or anyone who dreads the thought of cold feet during winter. With the holiday season just around the corner, why not spread some warmth and cheer with a pair of these cozy socks? While most customers have praised the effectiveness of these socks, it's important to note that some users have experienced issues with battery compatibility and sizing. As always, we recommend double-checking the product specifications before making your purchase. Well, there you have it folks, the heated socks for men and women by Caleforra, the best battery-powered heated socks on the market. Whether you're braving the winter chill or simply looking for a cozy way to keep your toes warm, these socks are sure to deliver. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay warm and stay stylish.